Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to show you quickly this new feature within Optinmonster. Now they're collecting leads that you can email, and you can do whatever you want with your email list. Rather than send it to a third-party mailing company like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or oh god, I can't even think. My brain's gone. But whatever you're using to use collecting emails, you can now do it all within within Optinmonster very easily. So I'm going to go to quickly pull up one of my, here we go my spin to win fun. I do it more through like motivating people than actually let them win stuff. But here now, there's obviously they've got to add an email to spin that. I didn't want to collect the email because I was just messing about anyway. So what I can do now is go to integrations. And instead of, I've already set it up, so I've already tested it. But what it would have said before was MailChimp or Aweber or whatever else you used before. But if you type in now, Monster, you'll get Monster leads. And you can save it. It won't put it in lists. Spin to win is what they're going to, this is my spin to win wheel, but you can put whatever it is to segment from where they come from, the form name. Notifications, every new lead, so I could probably email myself to tell me email address to me, maybe add a tag, spin. Right, save that. Go on, save it. Right, so now you'll see when I go to my leads, there's nothing in my leads. So if I jump into my website, as I try to leave it, the spin to win comes up, activate, spin to win. So I'm going to put Paul 1124 at paulnicholson.com, and I'm going to spin to win. It's just some happy me philosophy stuff I do. Your $1 billion brain. It's going to give you a little snippet. You have a $1 billion brain. You are capable of amazing things. Trust that $1 billion amazing brain. Continue to free training. So I haven't had to connect to MailChimp or Aweber or anything like that. And now when I refresh, I have captured within Optinmonster without leaving Optinmonster, and I can view. So this is where the spin to win. This is the site. Here's the tag, the time and date, the page where the person signed up from, and then I can either delete it or I can directly email that person. So I can email and say hello, whatever it is, so you can have a quick contact. There's my notification that somebody signed up, Paul 1124, and obviously I can export it, whatever I want to do later. So if you want to capture, if you don't want to third party something, or you don't want to mess about too much, you can do it all within Optinmonster now. So that's a really cool feature, really cool start, because that, for some people that you may not want to capture it, you may just want to say, contact me for more details, put your email in here, and then when they come up, you can just email them. So I think it's pretty cool. Another great new feature from Optinmonster. A link below if you want to sign up for Optinmonster. I've got training on my website for Optinmonster. This will be added to it. If you go to paulnicholson.com, you will see, where are your Optinmonster? Right here. I've got full training. It's 100% free. Here's all the courses, a lot of Optinmonster's official training, and I'm going to start to add my training in there. And as you say, totally free. You can volunteer to contribute something to the training, but you can do that afterwards. Take the training, sign up for free, and if after it's giving you some value, then you can always come back and maybe buy me a beer or something. So hopefully that helps. Really cool. Optinmonster no longer. I've got away from it. No longer requiring a third-party email delivery service. You can do it all within there now.